The caravan of Dolpo people has a strong connection with their natural surroundings and follows a sustainable way of living. They practice traditional agriculture, animal husbandry, and trade, relying on the resources available in their high altitude environment. They have their own language, religion, customs, and rituals that are unique to their culture and have been passed down through generations. Life in the Dolpo region can be extremely challenging due to the harsh living conditions, including extreme cold, limited access to modern amenities, and isolation from the outside world. The caravan of Dolphin people faced numerous challenges, including difficulties in transportation, access to healthcare and education, and preservation of their traditional way of life in the face of modernizations and globalizations. Despite the challenges, the caravan of Dolphin people have a strong sense of community and a deep connection with their land and culture. They have developed unique survival strategies, traditional knowledge, and a strong bond with their animals, which are essential for their survival in the harsh Himalayan environment. The caravan of Dolpo people and their way of life are a testament to the resilience, resourcefulness, and cultural richness of indigenous communities in remote and challenging environments. Their traditional practices and unique lifestyle provide insight into the diversity and beauty of human civilization and the need to protect and preserve such unique cultural heritages for future generations.